I did do a burgundy halo using the burgundy palette. For my transition shade, I went with the middle shade on the top row. The next shade I'm going for is the burgundy, and I am using that with a pencil brush, just packing the outer part of my lid. And then when I blend it with the smaller brush, I like to blend it right at the crease. I don't like the shade going above the crease. That's just personal preference. So then I'm just blending that out. Like I said, I don't go above the crease. And then I'm repeating the same steps for the inner part of my lid. Another thing I wanted to mention is when doing a halo eye, it does take a shitload of blending. I blended so much to get the results I got. I just obviously didn't put everything in this video, or else it would have been a super long video, but just keep in mind that this takes a lot of blending. So then I'm grabbing my Lorac blush in the shade Chroma, and this I'm just blending all the shades together just so it won't look that harsh and it fades out to that soft pink. So then I'm using the Urban Decay Primer Potion in Eden to create that halo effect, and I'm just using a flat synthetic brush for this. So then I picked up the pencil brush again, and then that burgundy shade from the Kylie palette, and I applied it on the outer part of the concealer, just because the concealer itself looks really harsh, so you just have to make it look like it blends into the rest of the eyeshadow. With the Anastasia individual shadow in Fresh, I'm going to use that to set the base. So now I'm just repeating the exact same steps on the other eye. As you go, you'll see if either eye needs more eyeshadow on the inner or outer part of the lid, and you can go ahead and add it if you need to. And then I'm just doing my wing liner using the Italia eyeliner. I used to really like it, but today it's smeared, not today, but in this video, it's smeared so much in my inner part of my eye, so that's that. So I usually never curl my lashes, but I decided to curl them since I wasn't going to be using falsies, and then I coated my lashes with the Maybelline mascara. I'll leave the full name in the description box just because I don't have it with me right now, so yeah. So I'm just applying brow gel here because I forgot to do it when I finish with my eyebrow, but I'll show you guys which one it is when I do my eyebrow video, which will be soon hopefully. And then I'm just putting highlight in my inner corner of the eye, and then with the Tarte's Pro palette I'm using the shade Mod with the flat brush for my lower lash line. With the fluffy brush I'm just blending my lower lash line, and then I picked up the shade Classic from the Tarte's Pro palette for my brow bone highlight. Also, in case you didn't know, the link to my foundation routine is in the description box. Unless it changes, I will show it in the video. But in the meantime it's still the same. So then I'm just applying the mascara to my lower lash line. I wasn't planning to film, but then my sister-in-law came over, so I was like, yes. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.